So today we are going to see the new iPhone 14 Pro. Hmm, good. It has been announced today. What is the best feature of the iPhone today is they are giving the 48 camera with mind-blowing details and all powered by ultimate smartphone chip. That's a M1 chip. The Apple own chip they manufacture, they're going to sell it. So next, what's the price? It comes in Indian price of 1,29,900 and before trading, I think before tax. So pre-orders available from 9th September and available in stores on 16th September. Good. So we have both version iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Beyond this, what are the colors available? It's available in purple, gold, silver, and black space. Four colors available right now. Good. So what's the glass? The durability is a ceramic glass they are giving, and water resistant. And this water resistant they have given important thing to note. It's down. I will show it. And surgical grade stainless glass. Oh, it's a recycled glass or surgical. So they have not mentioned on, but it's available for all the four colors. So usually the privacy and protection is coming along with it. So that's what we buy for iPhone. So the new phase of iPhone is dynamic, the most dynamic view. So you can see who is calling, you can play music, you can use camera, who is ring, air drop, so luggage, airport connections, charging, everything you can see in a single view. I don't think it's a separate display. So it's a new good feature. So second thing is the display is always going to be on. So even though it's on, you don't going to affect your phone battery life. Yeah, the all day battery life is surety has been given. So that's good. The Android version of the your photo, your font, your wizard, your iPhone that's been totally came into. It's very good, very good. So the new thing is the display is two times brighter inside. That's very good, excellent thing. And they are providing Super Retina XDR display. So the crash core reduction, so SOS, which is be available both in Wi-Fi and cellular. So that is awesome. The camera is in other level. So squad pixel sensor has been given 4x resolution with a jaw dropping cropping as also is there. So you can see this images. So how accurately it can zoom out and give all the details of the photo or something. So 4x resolution and 48 pixel camera, and it is 65 times larger than 65 times 65 percentage larger than iPhone 13 Pro. So that's good. And next thing is you have this point 0.5 ultra wide 1x 2x 4x, so up to 4x available. So in a less light, it's able to give you good, very excellent picture. So cinematic experience you can get in your iPhone. So awesome thing. They are giving 24 FBS per second. It's 30 FBS or not 60 FBS, but for 24 up to 30 FBS in 4K. It's not bad, very good. So an iPhone it should be good, but 4K you're giving 30 FBS. Awesome. So next very good thing is you don't require a gimbal. So all it been stabilized in your iPhone itself. So you don't need to separately buy a 20 to 30,000 rupees gimbal worth. So that has been cost been saved in this iPhone. So that's the very thing. And in ProRes or Dolby Vision HDR is also available as an app, so you can go through it. Dolby Vision is awesome. So three cameras is main 48 4x resolution. So telephoto 2x better low light photos and ultra wide also there. 13 camera, 77 camera and 24 camera. Ah, cameras are better, good, awesome. And they are giving the A16 Apple's own chip. It's awesome that billions of combinations, a very good thing they are speaking. And battery is all day because as your video play 29 hours and without a video play, but a video play in i4 Max is 29 and Pro is 23, and a fast charger also available. So good. If we, now you can go and see the conditions file. So the iPhone 14 Pro Max is water resistant and are tested under controlled laboratory conditions within the rating of IP68 under IEC conditions, and the maximum depth is 6 meters up for 30 minutes. That's the only condition. You can't have a phone more than 6 meters or more than 30 minutes. Slow splash water and dust resistance are not permanent conditions they're given, so it's not so permanent. So take with care, won't lose your warranty on it. Resistance might decrease as a result of normal wear adhesion. So, so they are given wet phone, don't charge it, clean and dry it with the as per instruction. And the liquid damage is not covered in the warranty. The Apple has clearly said liquid damage is not covered under warranty. So be careful for 6 meters and up to 30 minutes. Very, very careful. iPhone users, very careful. And they have given what the features will be available to some countries only, not so some features may not be available in all countries and all religions. So before buying your iPhone Pro 14 Pro 14 Pro Max, go through these conditions and buy a extraordinary iPhone and